Hey guys, welcome to Nomads Nation, and tonight, we are doing a review of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 best tech pouches. And the best thing about this review is that each of these tech pouches that we're about to talk about have their own independent, in-depth review, which you can find in the description below. First up on the list, the Aer Slim Pouch, AKA my personal favorite. This is the tech pouch that just best suits my personal needs, and that's why it has been a part of my everyday carry for the past 4 or 5 months now. Made by Aer, this tech pouch utilizes their signature Cordura Ballistic Nylon, a 1680 Cordura Ballistic Nylon. It's got a rugged look, but it's very smooth and extremely durable. This is the material they used to use for the military, right, Tav?
For flak jackets.
For flak jackets, there you go. You got 2 compartments, okay? In the front, we have this waterproof YKK zip right there. Small compartment, no additional internal organization. And then inside you have what is, in my opinion, a really nice mixture between minimalism, but also enough organization. 2 elastic pockets on this side, 2 smaller pockets right here, a zip pocket on top, and then like a little compartment in the back. This is a tech pouch that has sort of medium capacity, especially when compared to the other ones. It's not too big, not too small. It's foldable, it's malleable. It also has this nifty little carry strap handle thing right here, which when I reviewed this initially, I was like, that's lame, I'm never gonna use it. I use it all the time. I'm using it right now. For me, it's just nice to have another access point to be able to grab the actual tech pouch and also just to carry it with. It's quite nifty, it's quite useful. I'm a fan. To discover more about the Aer Slim Pouch, check the description. There's a link there to our full review. Okay, number 2 on our best tech pouch review, the Peak Design Tech Pouch. This is actually the first tech pouch of all the tech pouches that I started using, and I love it because it's a f***ing beast. Why is it a beast? This origami style opening and main compartment is going to just rock your world. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I got 16. I think there's about 16 pockets, might be more. So that's not for a person who only has like a power bank, extra pair of headphones, a notebook, and a pen, right? But if you're a photographer, if you have a bunch of tech gear, then this is going to be one of the best options on the market. I love what Peak Design did with these 2 handles here because it's just an easier way to pop the tech pouch open. This thing is like super bulky, so without these handles, it would actually be difficult to access. This gives a great point of access, and it's just kind of fun to use. And last point is you have these 2 external lashes right here, which can connect to Peak Design's strap, which means that you can pop those into place and carry it as a sling or like a man purse pouch thing. It's not the greatest sling / man purse / pouch thing in the world, but it gets the job done. To learn more about the Peak Design Tech Pouch, links in the description. And guys, real fast, my name is Aaron, the guy behind the camera is Tab. When our powers combine, we are Nomads Nation, and we are dedicating our lives to these reviews. That's a little dramatic, but we do pride ourselves on making the best backpack and tech pouch reviews on the internet. So if you're like totally into things that carry other things, you should hit the subscription button and the notification bell. Okay, next up, the Nomatic Tech Organizer, which is also the first hard shell tech case on this list. But it does have kind of like a turtliness to it, right, Tab? You think it has a little turtle vibes going on?
Just need some legs and a head, man.
But like a turtle, it has a shell, and as the turtle is protected by the shell, your tech gear will be protected by the shell as well. We've got a clamshell style opening right here. The zipper is a little clingy, it's a little bit of a stickier zipper, but once you get on the inside, you've got a really unique sort of a situation in here. First up, we got 1, 2, 3 pockets, and these pockets are like plastic pockets. Now, you'd think to yourself, plastic sounds kind of cheap, and at first I wasn't a huge fan of it, but in fact, it looks and feels quite nice. You got this little flippy, floppy, flappy flap. On the other side, you've got a couple of elastic pockets right there. These are good for like AirPods, headphones, what else to have? Syringes. And then in the actual main compartment here, we got 2 other elastic pockets and a couple of pen holders on either side. One thing to note though, with a hard shell, yeah, you're getting that extra protection, but on the flip side, it creates an extra bulkiness, right? It's not gonna compact, it's not gonna be malleable, and you're either going to love that or hate that. Ooh, also, cool handle on the bottom. If you're all like, I wanna know more about the Nomatic Tech Organizer, you can do that. In the description, link, full review, check it out. Next up is our other best hard shell tech pouch, and that's the Bellroy Tech Pouch. But notice right away, this thing's blue. It's kind of refreshing, right? That's what Bellroy's kind of bringing to the game here is they're really fun and just cool and hip sort of branding. And that means, you know, color options. I'm not sure how many other color options we'll show you in post. There's this many color options. One distinctive feature about this tech pouch, which I'm not personally crazy about, is the actual zipper here. It's got a lot of like teeth going on, right? The zipper does get, it's a little sticky. It can get kind of stuck or snagged sometimes. Doesn't happen all the time, but it's something to keep in mind. But when you're in the inside, this is one of my favorite like main compartments of any tech pouch that I've ever reviewed. Because it's just super neat and super clean. I mean, it's minimalist. That's what Bellroy is known for. Super fun, cool, minimalist gear that functions perfectly. A couple of elastic pockets, pen holder at the top, some more little elastic stash points right there. This is good for like a USB stick. You can put your AirPods there. And then you got a little magnet pocket right there, which is quite nifty, right? You can throw a few more tidbits of gear, maybe things that you just don't want people seeing when you open your actual tech pouch. And let's be honest, magnets are tight. Bellroy Tech Pouch, want to learn more? Description, link, review. You digging this video? Please hit the like button, and if you do, we'll show you a picture of a totally awesome, cute, adorable puppy. Thank you very much. Next up, the modern Dayfarer tech pouch, AKA the slimmest pouch your eyes have ever seen. And yeah, let's be honest, like that's the unique selling point of this thing is its build. I mean, like look at it, it's got like a square portfolio type shape, and it's super thin. But it's not gimmicky. It doesn't come at the sacrifice of functionality. They use the same material that Aer uses. This is the Cordura 1680 Ballistic Nylon, which just feels so premium. YKK waterproof zippers around the whole perimeter. And then boom, this guy opens up. I love that opening. And you can see we got two compartments. And we got like the rubbery type mesh and then the soft type mesh. The rubbery mesh has a nice little volume right here, right? So you can pack it out a bit. YKK zips, two pockets. And then this mesh is like super smooth and silky and has a lot of expansion. And then you got this compartment right here and a couple of cord holders on the top. Obviously, if you're trying to carry a Bluetooth mouse in your tech pouch, this ain't gonna work. But if your gear is like thin and small and minimalist, and you got cords, pen, hard drive, portable battery, notebook, this can absolutely get the job done. In fact, Tav uses this tech pouch exclusively for hard drives. It's perfect for hard drives. So if you got hard drives, you're looking for a tech pouch just for your hard drives, to learn more, you know what to do. Next up on our roundup of the best tech pouches is the WANDRD Tech Bag. This guy has two very unique selling points. Reason number one is just how weather resistant it is. The external material is like a PU coated ripstop nylon, and then all of the zippers are PU coated YKK zips. Now I'm not saying throw this thing in the ocean and see if your stuff stays dry, but if this bag were to accidentally fall in the ocean, there's a good chance that your stuff would stay dry. And it'll be especially good in things like rain and mist and snow and dew and like that. The second unique selling point of this guy is that it can convert from a tech bag or pouch into a sling or fanny. You've got these lash points right here. WANDRD sells an accessory strap. Clip it on, rock it fanny style, good to go. Fanny mode.
The style.
I don't know what that means.
Look at that.
Look at that. But the awesomeness just isn't those two unique selling points. The actual organization is great. You've got this front pocket right here, which is like a really nice, like scratch-free microfiber material. And the actual main compartment, although it's a little dark for my taste, you got a couple pen holders, you've got some organization here, a little origami style organization there, a couple mesh compartments and pockets on this side. Yet again, kind of a nice mix between minimalism, but also having enough pockets for organization. And as always, I'm a big fan of WANDRD products because they have these like hook zipper pulls and you can do this, and this is cool. Do you want to learn more about this pouch? And finally, the last tech pouch on our list is the Aer Cable Kit 2. It's the 2, right? Yes, the 2. But as opposed to the Slim Pouch, which is small and kind of minimalist, this is a beefy guy. This is for you if you're like, dude, I wasn't really digging the peak design one, the whole origami thing, it's not my thing. I want something more urban and sleek. That's what Aer does. You got this really nice, like water resistant nylon right here with this like foldy, hipstery kind of look. And then the 1680 Cordura Ballistic Nylon. There's 3 compartments on this tech pouch. Compartment number 1 is like the clamshell opening with a ton of pockets, right? Mesh, elastic, pocket. This looks like a see-through mesh. It's not. You got 2 of those. Plus you got this guy with like a really nice padded and soft microfiber material. And then there's the second section. This is like for bulkier items, right? Think like a big ass Bluetooth mouse, right? Your portable battery. That's where these guys go. And then finally on the back, we got this little area right here. Actually has a decent amount of expansion. You can fit bulkier items than you'd think you'd be able to fit there. And yeah, that's what you got. 1, 2, 3. This is not a minimalist tech pouch. This is for people who have a lot of tech gear. And that's why when I'm traveling for longer term, this is the guy that I prefer to take on my journey. Our cameraman Tav here uses this tech pouch for lights, for all of our shoots, so yeah. Description, check you, learn more if you want. You know what I'm saying. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching our review of the best tech pouches. If you're still here, it hopefully means that you found this video useful. If that's the case, the best way to support the channel is to hit the subscribe button, and the notification bell, and the like, or maybe just one of them. You don't have to do all of them. Any of them we'd be very thankful for. And leave a comment below. Did we miss one of the best tech pouches? Did we miss your favorite tech pouch? Are there other tech pouches that you think we should review? Do let us know below. Your comments help make the internet and this channel a more educated place. We'll see you guys next time.